Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the setup of the Netgear WN3000RP Wi-Fi range extender. If you're struggling with Wi-Fi dead zones or weak signals in certain parts of your home, this device is the perfect solution to enhance your network coverage and ensure seamless connectivity. So, let's dive in and get started. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the Netgear WN3000RP Wi-Fi range extender, a quick start guide. Make sure you have everything before you begin. Next, plug your extender into an electrical outlet. Make sure it's in a location where you have a strong Wi-Fi signal from your router, but also close enough to the area where you want to extend your coverage. Now, let's connect your device to the extender. On your smartphone or laptop, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the network name Netgear_EXT. Connect to it. After connecting to Netgear_EXT, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.mywifi.ext.net and hit enter. This will navigate you to the Netgear setup page, where we can begin the configuration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You'll need to select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password to establish a secure connection. After completing the setup, a confirmation message will display, verifying your extender's successful connection. Your extended network will resemble your current one, but with _EXT appended, simplifying identification in weak signal areas. Now, you can move your extender to a new location, ideally halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Just plug it into an outlet and wait for the LEDs to turn green, indicating a strong connection.